In this video, you'll learn how to change the language on Trading 212. Whether you're more comfortable in another language or simply want to explore the app in a different one, adjusting your language settings is quick and easy. Let's dive right in to make this change seamless for you. First things first, you'll need to open the Trading 212 app on your device. Once you have the app up and running, head over to the menu. You can usually find this by looking for the three horizontal lines, typically located in the top corner of your screen. This is where you'll find all the app's main settings and options. Next, you'll want to scroll down until you see the Settings option. Settings is the place where you can tweak various aspects of the app to better suit your preferences. Once you tap on Settings, you're getting closer to making that language change. Now, within the Settings menu, look for the Language option. This is where the magic happens. By selecting Language, you open up a list of all the available languages that Trading 212 supports. It's a pretty straightforward selection, but take your time to ensure you pick the right one. Once you've found your preferred language from the list, go ahead and tap on it. After you've made your choice, you'll need to confirm your selection. This step is important because it tells the app that you're ready to switch languages. Confirming your choice ensures that the app makes the necessary changes for you. And just like that, the Trading 212 app will automatically update to your chosen language. There's no need to restart the app or your device. The change takes effect immediately. This feature makes it incredibly convenient to switch languages on the go, especially if you're traveling or using the app in a multilingual environment. Here's a quick tip. If you ever want to switch back to your original language or try out a different one, you can simply repeat these steps. It's a flexible feature that Trading 212 offers to enhance your experience, making it accessible to users from different linguistic backgrounds. To recap, we opened the Trading 212 app, navigated to the menu, scrolled down to Settings, selected language, and confirmed our choice. These simple steps ensure that you can enjoy using the app in the language that suits you best. I hope this guide has been helpful in showing you how to change the language on Trading 212. Now you can navigate the app and make informed trading decisions in the language you're most comfortable with. Thanks for watching and happy trading.